Sitting in the chair inside his office, Jungkook was looking at the owner of that hall where his reception was held. CEO, sir, we are ready to do whatever it takes to find the truth behind that incident. CEO said, being scared of Jungkook, who was looking serious at him. Jungkook, fine then. It is just as simple. I need to give me the CCTV of that reception day. I want to see that how many people he had met that day and who made him come inside without the permission because he wasn't invited. CEO, yes sir. As you say, I will send that recording within an hour. He said and stood up to leave, but Jungkook making him stop. Jungkook, in 15 minutes it should be in my data. Jungkook said deeply, looking at him, and he gulped and nodded. Soon that CEO left and Jungkook went inside deep thoughts about what had happened that day. He knew someone was behind this. Jungkook was in his thoughts when his phone rang. He saw the caller ID and a smile appeared on his lips. He picked up the call and said in his deep voice, Jungkook, looks like someone is missing me, Vine. No, it's definitely not like that, Vine said playfully, and Jungkook replied. Jungkook, it's not what you should, wifey. Jungkook said with a soft smile, but cold voice. After all, he was a cold person, but still sometimes behave all lovely with his wife when he is alone with her. When well, I called you to say that I am going market for grocery. Jungkook frowned and said, you never go. It's Aunt Bella, headmaid, who go for the grocery. When that's true, but don't know what happened to Auntie Mrs. John that she came to me and said today you will go for the grocery. Jungkook became confused. Jungkook, why would she say that? Vine shrugged her shoulder and said, don't know, but it's not a big deal. I can go. I just called to ask you that do you need something or want me to fetch something for you? Jungkook, no, I don't need anything. Just go and be safe. After that, Vine and Jungkook disconnected the call. It was not a big deal for them, but for some seconds Jungkook thought that his mother herself never asked for grocery, then why was she asking her to go? Coming downstairs holding her bag, Vine was heading towards the market. Sophia and Mrs. John were in the living room. When Vine was about to cross them, Sophia whispered, which Vine heard clearly, this maid's work looks good for her. Vine stopped and turned towards her and raised her eyebrow and said, if you want to say something, then say it on my face a little bit louder. Don't act like a dog who barked behind the back. Sophia stood up from the seat, making Vine smirk. Sophia, what? Do I look like a dog to you? Sophia said louder in anger. Mrs. John tried to calm, but Vine replied, added a fuel in that fire. Vine, you didn't like it, then how about Vine smirked and Sophia bursted. You, how dare you to talk to me like that? Vine, are you a Princess Diana that I will bow in front of you? How dare you? To call me a maid. Do you call your mother a maid when she go for grocery or cook food or do households, huh? Tell me, do you call your mother a maid? Mrs. John, Vine, control your tongue. Vine, teach her to control her shitty behavior or else. Vine warned Sophia and Mrs. John, who were glaring. Suddenly, Sophia came towards Vine and said, or else what you? Before Sophia could finish, Vine made an art on her plastic cheeks with a tight slap. Sophia looked at her in disbelief. Sophia, you little. Again, Vine slapped her on her cheeks, making it red. Mrs. John gasped and went to Sophia. Vine, not a single word. Saying that, Vine turned around and smirked and left the house, being proud of herself. Sophia was about to approach her, but Mrs. John stopped her and said, not now, Sophia. Let her go because she ain't coming back here. Sophia looks at Mrs. John, but then calmed down. because they had planned to send Vine out of the house and then their money will kidnap her and will take her away. That's why she asked Vine to go out and Vine considered it and went out of the house, but they didn't knew that Jungkook was about to find the truth. Sitting in the chair, Jungkook was desperately waiting for the CCTV footage. Soon his phone made a sound of notification, and in an instant, he picked up the phone and saw that the video had arrived. He opened the video and looked for Jack's moment. His all focus was on the video. Jungkook saw that Jack came outside the arena. He became alert. Then he saw Jack took out his phone and called someone, and after a few seconds, he cut the call and waited outside where there was security on entrance. But then Jungkook became confused and shocked when he saw Mrs. John and Sophia. They came outside and Mrs. John took Jack inside with her. Jungkook became confused at what his mother was talking to him and what was their connection. Jungkook then opened the inside hall footage and saw Jack separate from Mrs. John and Sophia. Jungkook saw remaining videos. He closed the video and his red eyes became red when he understood everything. He remembered how Sophia approached him and made him look at Vine and Jake because Jungkook became angry. He remembered how Vine told him that his mother sent her inside the basement. Things were getting attached in his mind, but then he became numb when he remembered that his mother sent Vine out of the house and he knew there must be something wrong. His mind was of a dangerous mafia and he can sense the danger. He brushed his ears and was about to went outside the office, but his phone rang. It was the call from Vine. Jungkook picked up the call and before he could speak, he heard Vine's voice. Jungkook, help me please, Jungkook. Vine gulped. It will be the first time in his life that he was scared. The Mafia King was scared, Jungkook. Vine, what happened? Jungkook, someone is following me. There he knew that his mother had played another dirty game to harm his wife. Jungkook gripped around the phone tighter and he said, listen to me, where are you right now? Vine, on the street. Jungkook, okay, I am on my way. Just make sure to hide somewhere or else be in a public. Jungkook, and if those people try to hurt you, just shout in public. Don't worry, I know you are strong. Just wait for me, I'm coming. Vine nodded her head. She was scared. Jungkook, Vine, are you there? Vine, yes, yes. The call got disconnected and Jungkook stormed out of the office. He have to go and save his wife. He was feeling ashamed of himself, but how he will look in her eyes and will confess that all the things were done by his mother. How he will tell her that she was the one who plotted everything. But he knew one thing that after getting Vine out of the danger, it was the time when he will stop all that dirty games which his mother was playing. But will he will be able to confess all this to Vine? What will be her reaction? What punishment he will give to his mother and Sophia? Last part is remaining. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you haven't subscribed to my second channel, then go for it. Link in the description box.